Hey guys, my name is Mario, and as you know, I create a lot of content on TikTok and social media. And in this video, I'm going to show you the behind the scenes of the collaboration which we have now with the Legian Beach. I'm going to show you shot by shot, explain my thoughts behind it, explain the troubles we have, but the lighting is so bad. So most probably I'm going to be using ×1. The things which we had to do: take off your shoes. Take off your shoes because sandals are just in the way. And everything a bit more detailed, and we're going to get started right away. Let's go. We're here at the villa. We're going to be doing the villa tour first. This is the first shot. We're at the main door, but this door we can't use in my opinion because I can't stand there and show Eski. There's not enough to show. I can't really show the door. So we decided to use this one, and I stood a bit further away so I could show the design of the door and then transition with the green screen into the next scene. For the second shot, we are going to be transitioning out of the phone with the green screen and then showing the room right away. So this is the location where Eski will stand. She'll have her phone ready, and I'm going to be using the green screen transition. She will drop the phone, keep on walking to the bathroom, and show the bed, and I will show the bed real quick. And this was quite a problem because it was a movement which you had to kind of get all in one shot. I used the wide angle, and in the end I wasn't able to show the bed. I'm going to be using the ultra wide so we can show the bed and the frame and everything here that looks that we can move on to the next scene. Shot number 3, we want to show the bathroom, and we have Eski holding the phone again, doing the green screen transition where she will be looking into the mirror, and then she's going to move to the bathtub. At the same time, we're also going to see behind her there's a shower, beautiful shower, and then she's going to turn on the water for the bathtub. All right. So one thing which we also did, which you might see now in the behind the scenes, is that we prepared the bathtub with water, foam, and flowers. The shot itself, which you might see right now, looked really good, but we made a mistake. I made a mistake where I told her to look into the camera, drink, and then I would transition away. And then the final shot, she would drink again. So that didn't make sense. It didn't fit into the story, having her do 2 drinks in 2 shots. And that's why I took it out. And these things happen. You gotta be ready for these things. And it keeps the flow of the video when you take something out. And for me, the most important thing is the flow and the story keeps on going. We're here at the final shot where we're gonna have Eski laying over here with a drink in a bathrobe. One thing which we had trouble with was finding the right frame because I didn't want to be too far away from her, and I didn't want to be too close from her, and there was nothing to transition out of. So we then used a piece of equipment which Adi had to get that right transition and then also get Eski perfectly in frame, so we didn't show too much, so the background wasn't too cluttered, and we could put the logo on top and loop the whole video. That was it for the room tour. I recorded exactly everything which I needed, had to take something out, but I'm very happy with the final result. The green screen transition will make it look super beautiful, I believe, and this is the final result. That was it. Let me know what you think about this video. Tell me in the comment section down below. And now it is time for us to move to the hotel tour. So for the first shot, for the hotel tour, I wanted to show the lobby. I think it's really beautiful. And I'm gonna put Eski on the bridge with a bit of flowers above her. And we're gonna wait until the sun isn't so harsh anymore, so it doesn't shine so much on her face. And we're gonna be transitioning from the lobby to this location, which I think they call the gazebo pond, where you're gonna have koi fish in the background. We can't really see it, but the pond itself looks really good behind her. And we ordered some breakfast, so we're gonna have as much food as possible on the table. So when we come out of the transition, we see her with all that food there. It looks really, really fascinating. And now it's just a simple shot of showing what's happening, showing the surrounding, doing a tiny orbit around the subject, and then transitioning on. They prepared the bed, which was amazing. I didn't even think about this, and they offered this possibility to have a massage by the pool. So I'm very grateful for that. Helps with creativity, helps with the flow, and helps shows the possibilities, the different facilities the hotel has. Taking a small break from content creation, the hotel has also offered now the possibility to make some pizza. So Eski's over there making her own pizza, and then later we're going to continue with more content creation. But let's take a break and let's see what they're making. The hotel really wanted to showcase the teppanyaki because it's one of the main attractions they have here if Bali wasn't closed at the moment. For this scene, we have Eski sitting down at the fire, and I decided just to move from one pillar to the other, showcase the fire, showcase that there is a teppanyaki here, and Eski enjoying the scenes, and then easily moving into the next transition to move to the final shot. So for the final shot, we wanted to keep it super simple and also have a loop to loop the video to the beginning again. And what we thought was very beautiful was the sunset here, because we could see it very clearly here. And we'd have Eski placed at the balcony, she looking outwards into the sun, and this would be, in my opinion, the best way to end this video. Now we have all the shots we need, it's time to put it together, and I'm going to show you the final result. That was it for the behind the scenes video for Legian Beach. We shot the room, we also shot the hotel, showed you everything. Hope you enjoyed it. Please do let me know what you think of these videos in the comment section down below. Also tell me what you would like to see next. I will be creating more behind the scenes. If you want to learn what I do here, there's also a course which we provide also in the description down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.